In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use workflows for lead routing in Attio. Start by logging into your Attio account. From the left sidebar, open Automations, then head into Workflows. Before we build, here's the idea. Lead routing automatically sends new leads to the right place or person based on rules you define. Done well, it speeds up response times and makes sure nothing slips through the cracks. Create a new workflow. For the trigger, choose Record Created. This means the workflow will run the moment a new record is added to your workspace. Set the object to companies, since we'll route at the account level. Click the plus icon to add an action and choose If Else. If Else lets you branch logic. If a record matches your rule, do one thing. If not, do something else. Add a filter for the condition. Select Created Record, then pick the Employee Range attribute. Set the operator to As, and choose 251-1K for this example. That targets mid-market companies, but you can adjust it to your ideal customer profile. Move into the IsTrue branch. Add record to list to place matching companies into a specific list or pipeline. Select your sales pipeline. Click Use Variable. Choose Created Record, then select Leads and pick the name field so the workflow uses the company's name dynamically. Next, open Team, then Company. This references your team's company object, keeping ownership and context aligned. Set the status to Lead to standardize how these records appear in your pipeline and reports. Now configure the IsFalse branch for everything that doesn't match your employee range. Choose Create or Update Record, set the object to companies, and map the domains attribute. Capturing domains helps with enrichment, deduplication, and future routing rules. Publish the workflow and confirm so your configuration is saved. Then open Created Record again and choose Name as the domain matching attribute. This helps Attio link related records cleanly by name when matching to domains. Give your workflow a clear, searchable name so teammates can find and reuse it later. Finally, publish once more and confirm. Quick recap. We created a workflow triggered when a company record is created, used an if-else branch to check employee range, routed qualifying companies into the sales pipeline with the right status and context, handled non-matching companies by creating or updating them with domains, and then published and named the workflow. That's how you use workflows for lead routing in Attio. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.